Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen, my friends. Update here on SMCI Super Microcomputer. Guys, we are now here at the edge of a squeeze. Make it or break it. We can squeeze here to our price goal, which I predicted already here back in 2024. Or we see a rejection, guys, and come back down again. This is not financial advice, but I give you here my opinion based on the chart and a brand new update of all price levels. First of all, the short interest here for SMCI is quite high, but I'm very bullish on this stock. I see here a very strong support, and even if you have no idea how to draw charts, if you see that a stock comes here from the $4 $3 range here, but when we now zoom in here, guys, let's say December 2022 here in that range, we traded here between $5 and $8. Now we're trading at still $53, guys. I mean, we are here in a super strong bullish uptrend, and that you have some kind of accumulations, corrections like that is quite normal in the stock market. Of course, you are ahead of the crowd if you know how to spot these squeeze stocks here and these breakout levels. This is what I'm doing here on my channel. I try to transfer that knowledge to you, and of course have some special content available on Patreon. Today I uploaded a brand new tutorial how to spot breakout stocks and short squeeze entries. If you want to see that tutorial, guys, you can join us here on Patreon before we start with the SMCI chart. And by the way, yesterday one of my squeezes stocks here had its breakout, so I'm already post here short squeeze plays and breakout stocks on Patreon. This ticker here squeezed 2 days after my video release, 100% in 1 day. So if you also want to see those volatile squeeze plays, aka breakout stocks, you can join us here. Our big community, guys, on Patreon, the full package membership gives you access to all my content and also to the brand new tutorial which I uploaded today. The link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is available in the video description. So guys, here we go. Right, so this is what we have here technically before we talk about the price levels and the drawings which I made for SMCI. We have now here an overbought RSI on the weekly chart, guys. Be careful. Last time when we had that, we saw a price drop, and guess what? The same price was in, we had the same price structure which we have today. So keep that in mind. Technically SMCI is actually overbought. However, the market is squeezing and my price goal for SMCI is higher than the actual price. So let's focus now on the drawings to see where we go from here. Of course, guys, I cannot predict the future, but I understand how chart technique works and how algos work. And this is why I'm also able to predict squeezes like that just 2 days before they happen. So for SMCI, my price goal didn't change. We have still here the landing zone for the algos between $84.50 and $86.59. This is not a short squeeze, guys. This is just a simple and normal algo squeeze. The most bearish zone which we have right now is $96.12. So the bearish market makers and the short sellers, they don't panic, guys. As soon as we have here this breakout trigger, which is $50.86. What does that mean? If we close with a full green candle body, in best case with a weekly candle body over this price, this is super bullish, guys. If the market makers can resist here, are strong enough to bring the price down, and we close below $50.86, that would be a sign of weakness here for SMCI. When we one more time check here the weekly volume, guys, in my opinion, not enough to see a big short squeeze, but as long as the bull supporting here the price, this is good. But don't forget, the algos allow also these squeezes to happen, and that is the moment when they start to open new short positions. So keep that in mind. Very simple. Now the first breakout trigger, most important price level right now for SMCI is $50.86. As long as we stay above this, good. When we drop below that, bad, guys. But there is one thing what we have to talk about, because last time when SMCI broke this price level here, we had a gap up. That was here back in February 2025. You can see exactly here we had a gap up. This is not a coincidence. The algos are waiting here, guys. And guess what happened now with SMCI? We have our gap up again. If you need more confirmation that this is everything based on algos, guys, I don't know what to say. So you can see that the market makers use here the pre and after market to manipulate the price now in favor for SMCI for a squeeze. But keep in mind, guys, now we have here one open gap at $50.66, and we have to close that gap, and that means we have to come back below $50.86 sooner or later. It does not need to happen today, but keep that in mind that that could happen very, very soon. As long that's no problem, as long as we don't close here with a full red weekly body here, candle body below this price. Everything is still in play, guys. Yeah, my squeeze prediction, I don't want to call it a real short squeeze, because a short squeeze would mean we squeeze above $96. Yes, guys, then we can talk about the short squeeze. I show you that also here in a second. The next squeeze price goal, which I have, is, as I said before, between $84.50 and $86.59. Last time we had exactly the same setup. I predicted this squeeze here, by the way, as well. And I said that I took my profits here. And the reason for that was that we closed here this open gap, guys. Very significant open gap for SMCI has been waiting here, an open up gap at $65.87 here from the August 2024 crash or sell-off. Yeah, this is everything, as I said, faked by algos here. And as soon as we closed this open gap, at $65.87, we had a massive price drop, guys. And that can happen here again. The good news are that the next open gap to the upside here in the daily chart, now we are here in the one-day chart and TradingView, is waiting at $86.59. And that's the reason why I think we have a very, very big potential to come back to this price level, not only because of the gap. Also, we have here a golden pocket, a landing zone. Yeah, if you want to understand how to calculate this, guys, I also have a Fibonacci tutorial available on TradingView, which explains you on Patreon, which explains you how to calculate that. And this is what I think, guys. So normal case scenario, yeah, the normal algo squeeze scenario is that we go back here between $84.50 and $86.59. The super short squeeze scenario would be that we go above $96.12, guys. And then, to be honest, everything is possible. I honestly also would expect a new all-time high for SMCI, and this all-time high should be here if we would, of course, just start to squeeze here, a massive squeeze like this, yeah, in the next couple of days. Then we would end up somewhere here in the $133 range or even higher based on my chart pattern. This is not financial advice, guys. Yeah, this is my quick update for you. So keep in mind, yeah, we have here this very important open down gap here at $50.67. And if we see a strong rejection, a really strong rejection with a sell-off, there is one small safety net, I would say here, guys, $43. There is one small safety net, but in my opinion, to not gamble, I would wait here for a shakeout between back to $32, because you can see that here in the chart there is also one open down gap, guys, and sooner or later we have to close that gap. That doesn't change the fact that SMCI is having its support here. We have a liquidity zone which support the price and this uptrend line, so that would be a healthy correction. But as I said, for now it looks like not only the chart pattern for SMCI, also the market structure shows now a big squeeze potential, and that should mean we can see here a squeeze for SMCI, and these are the price levels here. Yeah, my friends, if you also want to draw charts like that, this program is called TradingView. It's not only for chart drawing, I also get here all my alerts and trade alerts. So if I'm not in my office or I'm just traveling or whatsoever, then I always use that program on my phone to receive here alerts, yeah, sell alerts, buy alerts, and so on. So I can recommend that. If you also want to get TradingView, there is a special discount link available in the video description. My friends, that was the update. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, and see you in the next video. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Arigato. Take care, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.